The biggest storm of the season on the way.
All right, that's
coming
great.
our way Saturday night and Sunday.
Perfect.
Okay, it's going to be good. Every picture tells a story, don't it? Rod Stewart said that. Let me show you this one. This is from our camera that's up near Alt, part of our Viero camera network. And this was the sunset. Watch all the different stuff going on, from the jet contrails, the high thin cirrus, the little shallow layer of air pollution down there. And in the foreground, you might even see some of the dust from cars going by on the roads up that way. So a lot of activity. But the main story, those high clouds, are actually the sign of the change in the weather coming our way in the next couple of days. 65 was the topper today, tying the record set back in 1920. And I remember that was a big day. 19 below back in 1984, 44 and 18 of the seasonal averages of the normals this time of year. 47 downtown, 49 at DI, 23% humidity, pressure falling, winds are out of the south-southeast. So headlines, high clouds for the next 24 hours. Rain, snow comes in late Saturday, and snow Saturday night and Sunday with colder weather because of that thing right there. That's the front coming our way. It's not going to make much progress toward Colorado tonight. We just have the high clouds, and we're in the warm sector of this approaching storm, and that means the temperatures stay mild for tonight and through tomorrow. By tomorrow morning, we'll see lows dropping only to about 32 in Denver, 30 up at Fort Collins, 33 at Colorado Springs. Along the Front Range, some readings holding at the 40 mark at Bailey, 39 at Broomfield and Boulder. A little bit colder up in Weld County and over in Morgan County. High clouds at sunrise tomorrow morning, should be a pretty one. And then during the day, we get gusty southwest winds, low humidity. We do not have any red flag warnings in effect on the eastern plains, but we're close to it tomorrow because the temperatures are going to be in the 60s, even low 70s, and it is very dry, so be careful with burnable materials. As far as front range numbers, mostly looking at mid, even some upper 60s. In the mountains, it's upper 40s, but there is snow on the way. For tonight, 32, partly cloudy. We'll call it cool, but it's not really that cool for this time of year. For tomorrow, warm, 65 with some high clouds, gusty winds coming in. Looking ahead, we get into Friday night into Saturday. Here comes that western storm. Colder air starts to spill in. We get through most of the day dry on the eastern plains, the snow increasing in the mountains Saturday evening into Sunday morning. That's when the main snow comes in, and it looks like a pretty good one. 6 to 12 for the mountains and about 3 to locally 6, I think, across Denver and the northeast plains. That's the biggest storm we've seen so far for the season. 65 tomorrow. 52 on Saturday with evening snow. Snow Saturday night and Sunday, 32 for a high on Sunday. We're going to put first alert, action alert days for both Saturday into Sunday with the change in the weather coming in. Monday could be a slick drive in the morning, 12 degrees after that snow moves through, then 40 in the afternoon. Some flurries are possible Tuesday, and then kind of seasonal Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So savor the mild and then expect the wild.